Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Great time, man.
Oh, yeah.
We'll see you. I'm sure I'll see you another show.
All right. Yeah.
Can I come in?
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
What's
going on,
man?
Excellent. You really enjoyed the show.
Hell yeah.
This looks. Is this your? Obviously, it's your bill. Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
My name's Kevin Reddick, and this is an 02 Suburban with 4 ZD618s and a negative ratio 6-order C-pillar. Right now, it's on 2 Unreno Audio 3600 strapped at 1. They're probably putting about 65 to 7K down. Got a 16 Rogue Audio 8s on a Sound Digital 5K. 8 Rogue Audio tweeters on a 1200.1 and 4 Rogue Audio horns on a SF 1000.1. Got 2 more Unrenos to put in, so
What is this?
that is actually my head unit.
That is cool.
Yeah, Alpine's DSP comes with a little screen and everything.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah,
I like that.
It's pretty cool.
I'll have to check that out. Did you build the box?
No, Thomas Chester.
Okay. Nice
Chester
job.
did it.
Yes, he did good.
Yeah,
All right.
he busted his ass on this. We still got some work to do. We're going to do 8 pillars with 2 tweeters in it, and we're going to put a horn in each door. And he's building an amp rack and finishing the back and everything. But you want to play a song?
Yeah, man. I'd love to hear it. We'll check out the amp after.
Hell yeah.
There's a monster under my bed and at my window there's a dragon. I accepted the challenge and turned me into a savage. I broke a promise to myself again. I don't know why I'm so vulnerable. Creature in my closet, I can hear him roaming around. The demon screaming in the distance creates such a humbling sound. Never let me down. My fate is no, but I'm hated so. My bliss is free, say I'm the biggest beast and I made it grow. My straight is flow, I created more creatures I like when I heat up the mic. I'm a breeder than like I'm faded dog. When it's sacred and it's open, no matter what your faith is, I'm a creature. There's a creature in my closet, I can hear him roaming around. The demon screaming in the distance creates such a humbling sound.
C-pillars out here today.
Yeah. I
got 4 ZV518s and a C-pillar right there.
That's awesome. You know the one thing in the car audio world that I really just don't understand? Why isn't there a C-pillar class?
Yeah, man.
Why? It's not fair to make us compete against these.
Yeah, it's not.
That's a good point.
Not to mention, as far as the money-making aspect,
I've been trying
more
to
people
talk
in the
to that
lanes,
shit for
more
the past
excitement.
2 years.
Because you know, the C-pillar no wall would be full as fuck.
Yeah.
How many people got 415s in a Tahoe?
Exactly.
But it puts more people in the lanes, and
Yeah,
people
exactly.
don't like to pay to lose.
Exactly.
Like, this is like the most awesomest build I've
Yeah,
ever
like-
had, but
like,
I
cool.
know I'm paying to lose.
I have to have a C-pillar because I gotta have the car seat for the baby in the back. So it's like,
Yeah.
well, I guess I'm just a demo guy now because
I
I'm
wanna
not fucking competing against walls, you know.
I want to do 60s on music and do 4 window hair tricks. I don't know if that's gonna be possible.
Man, no. I can't do back windows at all because my shit don't like it with the windows down.
Awesome. I'm gonna go check out the back. Thank you very much, man.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah, bro.
I think I'm about to pull mine apart.
Can I see the alternator too?
Yeah, man.
I like to see everything, just because.
Show what you're doing,
Yes,
bro.
sir.
Please, I love your videos.
Thank you. I didn't think about that. I guess they do clarify them all about the same. Hey, good job with the build.
Thank you. That's a good one. Got 2 Singer alts dedicated directly to the back.
Oh, these are the 2 separate?
Yeah, we'll have it stock for the vehicle.
Still got work back here, but
It's all right. You got it planned.
audio's always a work in progress.
Yep. Is this the Unrio pink color now?
Yeah.
Unrios?
Yeah. I have 2 more of these. We didn't have enough time to put them in, but 2 3600 strapped in one.
So when you have all 4, is it going to wire up, down, or about flat?
Well, I have full 2s, so we're going to put a panel on each pair strapped.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
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 And right now you're running at 15s? 15 too?
Yeah, I'm probably going to bump that up a little bit since these things are 18 volt capable, but I'm running sound digital amps for my mids and highs, and they're
Yes, sir.
rated at 16, so.
Thanks for the demo. Nice
Oh, yeah, man.
Thanks for watching, man. Yeah, man.
I've been watching for years, bro.
Good job. Thank you.
There's a monster under my bed and at my window there's a dragon. I accepted the challenge and turned me into a savage. I broke a promise to myself again. I don't know why I am so vulnerable. I try to help but I won't let them in. It's my boundaries where I'm comfortable. The scarier than the one that's within. There's a creature in my closet. I can hear him running around.